Mga kanos, welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Rose. I'm your barista, Maiko, Ryan Diesto, and for today's episode 9, a must-try new products by Chai Tentic. And mga knows, this video and these products are all sponsored by Chai Tentic. I was invited with the owner of Chai Tentic to cover and to feature their new products in the 4-day event of Street Food Night Market Extreme in City Times Square, Iloilo. So this is my third time their event and the same location as well. And disclaimer lang po mga knows, this is my own honest opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test and overall review when it comes to their products. So I have here the new products by Chai Tentic Rose Tea Series. Choose ko to sa isa, be providing mga knows some of their products and also their mango sticky rice and their Thai velvet. The description down below with their prices. These are all big size mga knows. Let's start. This is their Rose Tea mga knows for 79 pesos. Big size, add 10 pesos for the pearls. Wow. Ito mga knows, yung Rose Tea essence niya, nandun siya. Tapos yung sweetness niya, di siya masyadong matapang, pero sa akin okay na okay. Masarap pala no? Yung rose tea essence niya or rose tea, imagine na merong drink na ganun, pero ang sarap, perfect siya. If you're not a fan of milk tea, suggest i-try nyo yung rose tea. Kaiba siya pero masarap. Next drink natin mga kanos, si Rose Lemon Tea. So ito mga kanos, si Rose Lemon Tea, same size din sila at same prices ng mga Rose Tea series. Ito mga nos, yung 3 flavors niya, well balanced siya at nagko-complement sa isa't isa. Hindi nag-overpower yung kada isang flavor. Ang sarap niya, lemon essence, rose essence, and also for their sweetness, nandun din pero hindi naman siya nag-overpower. And for the pearls, yung signature pearls ng Chai Tentic, very soft, very chewable, and very delicate. Para siyang lemonade pero with a twist of rose tea essence mga knows. So ang sarap niya. Next drink natin mga knows, si Rose Honey Tea. Ito mga knows, kapag gusto niyo yung tea drink niyo, mas prefer ko to, si honey. Nasama talaga yung honey essence niya. At the same time yung rose niya nandun pa rin. Yung difference lang sa kanila mga knows, kay Rose Honey Tea and kay Rose Lemon Tea, yung citrus feel na lemon, pag fan kayo ng lemonades, ito mas prefer ko. Pero kapag gusto niyo yung rose tea nyo na medyo sweeter, ito I must prefer si Rose Honey Tea. Let's drink natin mga si Rose Milk Tea. This is their pink rose pearls classic milk tea essence. Ito mga si Rose Milk Tea nila. Ito sa akin, lighter taste to ng milk tea nila. Hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness niya, which is good kasi hindi talaga ako fan ng medyo matamis. Tapos yung milk tea essence niya, talaga. Tapos hindi nawawala yung lasa ng rose essence niya, which is good. And for the pearls, same din. Sobrang soft at sobrang delicate at very easy to eat. For rating mga knows, for Rose Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Rose Lemon Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Rose Honey Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for rose milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10 also. Thank you so much, Chitentic, for inviting me and trusting Drinking Nose to cover and feature your new products in street food, night market, extreme, in City Times Square, Iloilo. Before the event, nag-enjoy talaga ako mga kanos. There are different types of product for their Thai Velvet ice cream, for their mango sticky rice, for their brown sugar, and most especially for Rose Tea series. Tenting Manos maintains their good service, good quality of product, very accommodating baristas and owners, the most authentic milk tea products in Iloilo City, and the first local shop in Iloilo City that introduced Rose Tea series. Mga locations nila makanos mostly sa San Agustin, Doctors, Molo, near Estunad, Iloilo Provincial Capital, West or Saharo. So thank you again, Chitentic, and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga kanos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your Barista, Michael Brian Gesto saying, bye!